Welcome to my Linux Part 2 assignment, where we are being introduced to a little bit more Linux and going through some common commands and common need to know things. So we went through a couple of commands first in this introduction to flag and switches. So I'm going to pull up my little notebook again. We learned the touch, make directory, copy, move, remove, and file. We learned those commands and what they did, and then we put it into action using the terminal. I will not bring it up just because I already closed it and it is really annoying to get there. So we went through the file system interaction, and we went through how would we create things, what is the file types, how do we know that, how do we move things. The contents of the file, I was in the wrong user for a good chunk, so I struggled on that. I've just seemed to be struggling with Linux in general. Then we went over permissions and how those work. So we went over what permissions are and how to find them and the different types. Read, write, and execute. File permissions are in numeric and symbolic formats and are often displayed in symbolic, but we can know what they mean also through their numeric version. So it's split into three different groups. The first three characters are the owner, the second three is the group, and the last three are others. And the three letters that are used are R, W, and X for read, write, and execute. Now, each permission has a numeric value. Read is 4, write is 2, and execute is 1. And you can use that to calculate the numeric into a symbolic. So, say we have WR, XR, XR, X. That's 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. And then I don't know why it repeats it, but in the example it does. So I was just kind of going with the example. XR, 1, 4 is 5, and then just X. Oh, because RXR. Okay, nope, I get it. I get it now. It spaces out where they are in the system. Okay. Then R W dash R double dash R double dash. 4, 2, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4. So with that, we can quickly identify security risks and see who has control over what. And they will often have numeric mixed with symbolic, such as this example of chmod 750 system overview, which we can see that owner has full access, groups can read and execute, but others cannot. We went over how to switch users by using the command su user2, and then some just other common directories such as slash etc, slash variable or var, slash root, and slash tmp, which is short for temporary. And just wanted us to make sure we knew it, and that is that. See you in part 3 for the Linux fundamentals, part 3.